Hi, I'm Bill and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is tie together all of the different exercises that we've done in manual mode. There's a link in the description to the playlist for all of my different videos on manual mode, but today we're actually going to put them together and make ourselves a cinematic type video, or at least a fun video, and something that you can replicate for yourselves and show your friends and family. So the first thing that we want to do is obviously put our goggles on, and let's go ahead and get in the air here. So we'll flip it down to manual mode here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my recording now. And we'll get the manual mode going here. So we'll take off. Now the first thing that I want to cover here, we've obviously mastered flying in a straight line and all that. I'm going to set my camera angle at 15 degrees here. But what I want to talk about is actually flying down a road. Now a lot of the time it's kind of hard to find a road, but a lot of you might have a driveway or a park or something like that in your area. But what you want to do is just kind of imagine there's a car or something on the road that you want to chase. So we'll go ahead and we'll spin around here, and then we'll come back down the road. Now you always want to be looking ahead for the turn in the road, an obstacle, or something like that. As you can see here, we have a sharp turn, so I want to go ahead and plan ahead and turn in a little early for that, and just follow the road. Now while you're following the road, let's just say if you had an object on it, you might want to come off the side of the road, and then you do a partial orbit where now you're flying kind of sideways to the road there. In the last exercise we learned an orbit. We can come up here, we can orbit around the pavilion here. And as you see, we have like no wind today, which is neat. Now the other trick we can do is we can go on up, and we had learned how to do a dive before, but what we're going to do is we're going to tie this dive into going down the road, which makes a real dramatic thing. It's a little harder in the wintertime when you can't see the leaves on the trees. But what we'll do is we'll come up here, and then we'll dive down in towards the road here. So we're going to dive down to the road, and you need to watch out for branches. And then just bring your throttle up slowly. Make your moves nice and slow. And then we'll go around that same turn there. And if you were doing, let's say, a real estate style video, which I used to do a lot of, this could be a driveway, and then you do a reveal shot on the front of the home. So now you can do your orbit around the house. Remember, you can also set your recording to horizon steady, which will give you a gimbal-like shot on this. This obviously is in rock steady. So now we've got that. Well, one of the other things that we can do is we can tie in flying through a gap. So if we were actually going to go down the runway here, and flying through gaps is always something that brings a lot of excitement to a video. So if you were coming down the runway here, we'll get up a little speed. We'll fly over the pavilion here and straight on through and out, turn around, and then you can come back over and look down at it. So there's some neat techniques that you can do where you fly through the gap, then you do a yaw turn or a yaw spin as we call it, and then you can orbit it around. And a lot of the time, I really like the look of things where you go across the trees and then drop down in. You know, the old maneuver like we're doing here. So bring your throttle down, bring it back up slowly. You want to try to make your moves as subtle. The Avata is not a great performer like an FPV drone where you can really throw the coals to it, and sometimes when you're in manual mode it still does some funny things where it'll want to drop out of the sky. So we've covered a lot of the different things here, and just go out and have a good time and have some fun. As far as landing in manual mode, we'll go ahead and we'll do this one more time. We'll come over here, and I use the switch on my controller. We'll come in and we'll turn, and I got disoriented there just slightly. So now we're upside down, so we need turtle mode. Thanks again for watching, and we'll definitely catch you on the next one.